Welcome back to another build, guys. Today we're going to be building the Lego Batman Cowl from the original Batman TV show. This one is one of the only helmet pieces I've done that you can actually take off of the stand. Usually the stand is built into the helmet, so that's pretty cool. So we'll take a look at that once we get all that built, and we'll review it at the end of this video since it's a smaller build. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That always helps me out. I really appreciate that, and it helps keep us being able to build on the Lego on this channel and have a fun time. So also feel free to talk in the comments. Love talking to you guys. Tell me what you think about the build, and let's go ahead and get it built. Alright, and here we have our finished Batman Cowl. This is from the original Batman TV show. The cool thing with this one, unlike all the other LEGO helmet sets, this one actually can come off. So this one is held in place. Sorry, can't. No, there we go. We can see it now. There's a little piece inside. It's like a little nub, and that goes into this little hole here, and that's what keeps it on its display. You can actually feel it when it falls into the hole. There we go. And that's what holds it up on here. But it's pretty cool. I mean, I've never had one do that. All the other LEGO helmet pieces just we build the stand into it. So it was interesting to see it done this way. Give you guys a 360 look at it. So this one's pretty minimalistic, but still pretty cool looking on my shelf. So I enjoy it. If I had to rate this one, I mean, I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10. There's just not too much to it. I mean, it's see-through pieces on the stand, and then the helmet itself. I mean, there's not too much to it. I get the original Batman set show didn't have too much to the helmet, but still, I feel like maybe do it bigger than. I'm not sure what the answer is, but there's just not too much to this, and it feels like it's basically just a big blob of blue, basically. But I mean, still, it's going to look cool up on the mantelpiece, so we'll go ahead and get that done. But anyway, if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely helps me out. Make sure you subscribe for more content, and we'll be doing a more regular schedule hopefully here soon with the building. And make sure in the comment section, let me know what you think. Let me know if you enjoyed this. If you didn't enjoy it, but let's have a conversation in the comment section. I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next build.